What's up everyone, Dr. Matt here, and in this video I want to talk to you about deadlifting and low back pain in the three most common areas I see people experience low back pain. So we'll jump right into it. The first one, and probably the most common, is pulling the bar from the ground. What you want to do when you're pulling from the ground is make sure you have a neutral spine. But if you don't have the mobility or the experience to do that, you may be starting with your back a bit rounded. You just can't get down far enough. So you are starting rounded, you pull up, and your low back feels a little bit uncomfortable. Is what you can do for that until you can pull from the ground is place it on blocks or plates. This way the bar is up a little bit higher and you don't need to get as low. It'll be easier to keep that neutral spine and protect your low back. So the second most common place I see people get back pain is at the top during the lockout. And that is usually because they start off great, get up here, and then they do a little bit of a hyperextension right here at the top. So I'll do that again. And they often say it feels like it's pinching or a little bit sore back there. When you're locking out the top of a deadlift, make sure you're not extending. You can squeeze your glutes, but keep your back neutral. Don't lean back. So the third place I see people get back pain is when they're lowering the bar down. And this is usually why that happens. Everything looks good, they lock out, but then when they start to bring the bar back towards the ground, they give up right out here and relax. Their back rounds, they'll feel some tightness or some other discomfort. What you want to do is make sure you stay tight the entire way down, all the way to the ground. You're up here, keep this tightness all the way down. Don't relax right here. So there you go. Those things should help your low back pain during the deadlift. If you still experience back pain, you may want to go get it checked out by a provider. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.